Cacao has a very special value within the traditions of the Maya and the Incas and resembles transformation. Rawcacao, which is also called ceremonial cacao, is largely untreated and just fermented. Today, this millennia-old plant medicine lives on in the form of modern cacao ceremonies and recalls the wisdom of these ancient cultures. To connect with this healing power of nature, it is first of all important to understand that it is a mindful and conscious ritual. Therefore, before you drink cacao, it is recommended to take some time to arrive in the here and now and set a personal intention such as healing for yourself. Breathing exercises or meditation can also help to attune yourself. The ritual can also be deepened and integrated through chanting or dancing. The shamans of the indigenous people prepare for spiritual rituals through intensive fasting. You can prepare your body perfectly by not eating for 3 or 4 hours before the ceremony and only be drinking water. Cacao can put you in touch with your energetic wounds that tend to be successfully repressed in everyday life and bring them up. Cacao opens a very, very special door for you to connect with your body, your mind, and your soul, which can be helpful on your healing journey. Laughter, tears, everything is allowed to take place. Cacao can help you accepting things and finding your inner balance. Alexander von Humboldt discovered the value of cacao on his trip to South America and said, "Never before has nature concentrated such an abundance of the most valuable nutrients in such a small space as in the cacao bean." Researchers show that cacao contains over 300 substances that really can boost your body and your immune system. Minerals such as magnesium, calcium, iron, and as well as antioxidants which can boost your metabolism and have anti-inflammatory effects. Cacao also contains theobromine, which can stimulate blood circulation and be beneficial for heart and bones. Studies have shown that it also has positive effects on brain metabolism and contains a vital combination of omega-3 and omega-6 fats. It can also improve intestinal health by promoting healthy gut bacteria, and on top of that, there's a feeling of happiness through the release of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine, which can have a mood-enhancing and relaxing effect.